Ever wondered how professional traders make money even without using indicators? They simply read the price itself. That's called price action trading. In today's video, you will learn how to understand price action, read candlestick patterns, and identify high probability trades like a pro, all with real chart examples. In this video, we'll first of all know what is price action. Price action simply means analyzing the movement of price on a chart without relying on lagging indicators like RSI or MACD. Every candle, every swing tells a story of buyers and sellers fighting for control. Each candle tells a story. Here, the wick shows the rejection and the body part shows the strength of the buying or selling. Price action simply means reading the movement of price without indicators. Every candle shows what buyers and sellers are doing. The wick shows rejection, the body shows strength, and each candle tells you who is in control, bulls or bears. When you understand this moment, you don't need any complicated indicators, just pure market story directly from price. Next comes market structure basics. Markets never move in a straight line. They move in waves. Up, pull back, up again, or down, pull back, down again. These waves create the structure we read. In an uptrend, the impulse moves are strong, upward pushes, and corrections are temporary pullbacks. Understanding these helps you avoid buying at the top. A trend changes only when market structure breaks. For example, higher lows breaking means the uptrend is weakening. Indicators show what already happened, but market structure shows what is happening now. Next comes key support and resistance. Price action is built on swing highs and swing lows. Swing highs shows resistance while swing lows shows support. The distance between swings tells you your strength is strength. Wide swings means it is a strong trend. Small swings means it's a weak trend. Price often grabs liquidity above previous highs and below previous lows. These are common reversal points. Sometimes the larger trend is up, but the smaller trend inside it is down. This is a pullback on a bigger time frame. When the market moves sideways, it's not random. It's either accumulation or distribution. Flags, channels, and small ranges often show trend continuation, meaning price may continue in the same direction after a pause. Now, let's talk about candlestick patterns, the language of price action. Focus on strong reversal signals like pin bar, which shows the rejection part. Here, it's showing bearish pin bar, strong rejections from sellers and buyers. There are two types of pin bars, bullish and bearish. In detail, I'll explain in coming videos. Okay. Next, these are all some examples of pin bar, how bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar is appearing, and how we should handle the trading. After knowing these pin bars, how to trade? This is the bearish pin bar. Appearing of bearish pin bar, the market goes downtrend. And here the bullish pin bar appearance will make the market uptrend. So, pin bar is the rejection part. Next, coming to engulfing candle, which shows the strength of the trading. Here, the bullish engulfing shows the market will go uptrend, and bearish engulfing candle showing the market going downtrend. These are all the live examples what I took. After putting stop loss, we will be handling the trade. Engulfing finally shows the strength. Next, inside bar, which shows indecision. These are all the examples showing inside bar pattern. In detail, I'll explain in upcoming videos. This is the area of resistance and the area of support they are showing in the video. Inside bar is indecision, and the location should be the greater than the pattern. Next, coming to entry, stop loss and target. Here's how to trade using price action. Identify the trade, market the key zones, wait for a candle confirmation, enter the trade with proper risk management, set stop loss below or above the pattern, and take profit at the next major zone. But remember, patterns only work when they appear at the right place, near support, resistance, or trendline zones. Next, what are the common mistakes we should avoid during the trade? Most beginners fail at price action because they overtrade or skip confirmation signals. Don't chase trades. Wait for price to come to your zone and always journal your trades. That's how you truly improve your trade. Wrong chart examples are shown here. Have patience, and it will become profit for you. So that's the essence of price action trading. Reading the market's story through structure, zones, and candlestick behavior. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with your trader friends, and subscribe for more trading insights every week. Learn the price, and the profits will follow. Thank you.